Hold on, it's starting now. Talk to Grandma and show her your room.
Grandma, see my room?
What's your favorite part?
The thing hanging up.
This is your favorite part of your new room?
I would think you should do that.
Let me see if I can show that to her. Woo, we're going to make Grandma dizzy. This is your favorite part of the room? Really?
Yeah, this.
Okay,
Mommy,
what else do you
my
like?
turn. She's having a room.
Oh, you want her to share her room with you? You don't want us to make your own like this?
Yeah, we can run away. Mommy, what's your
Well, she'll share it until you get yours. Can you please put that down, Astrid?
I don't do it like that.
Okay, well, we'll see. Maybe you can share.
Keep it like that.
You want to keep the same room as Myra? Yeah, okay. Would you stop pulling the cord so that it doesn't shake the video? Thank you. Myra, what do you want to tell Grandma about your room? Over here into the room. Not out in the messy hallway. We don't want to show that to Grandma, do we?
This is awesome, and I like my bones in my room.
What is this over here? Can you tell Grandma about this?
I like all my stuff, but some are not right. This is Jacob.
That's Jacob's.
Yeah.
Is he allowed to keep his stuff in this room for a while? Okay.
And I like this kind of seat. Yeah. And I like my
Your rug? Okay, she's going to share with you.
I
She's
like
talking
my
about it.
bed.
Yeah, you want to show Grandma how you get on your bed?
Yeah. Mommy, but I have a shower.
Wait.
That's me.
Yes, you did, but this is her turn.
My turn was the favorite part.
You like that bed up there?
Mommy, my turn was the favorite part.
Okay.
And no, this is mine.
Okay, let's give Jakey a turn to show. He's dying to show Grandma. Say hi to Grandma.
Hi.
Okay, go ahead. Show her how you climb up. Okay, don't pull on that. That's not there to help you. Oh, you gave a big jump, didn't you?
And I like Paul.
Who's that on the bed with you?
Wendy.
You love her?
No.
What do you mean, no? Give your sister a big kiss.
I would love food, but Mommy, I like this. I like this.
You like the balloons? Okay, put that down. Say hi to Grandma.
Grandma?
Astrid, you going to say hi to Grandma?
Do you say peace out?
Yeah.
Oh,
Where's my memory card?
look! It's your big teddy bear. Wait, he doesn't want to be on film. Say hi to Grandma.
No, I don't want to
Hi,
Come on, say hi to Grandma.
Give me my memory card. I need
See, he offered the card and now he wants it back. Say hello.
Hi, Grandma.
Okay, don't move so much. It kind of makes you dizzy.
Okay, then look over there.
Say, hi Grandma, I love you.
Hi, Grandma. I love you. Stop looking at me. Fine,
Oh,
I love
look
you.
at Astrid and Jake posing for you.
Now it screwed up the pose.
You know that, right?
Now it screwed up the pose because you said it was a pose.
Okay, you don't need to use the word screws up. Alright guys, I think this is plenty of video for Grandma. She'll be more than happy. No, Grandma, that's not a beer bottle. It's root beer. And James had it, and Myra begged for the root beer bottle. But to me it looks like a beer bottle, so I really hate it being there. But since Myra wanted it... Hold on, it's root beer. I'm trying to show it to Grandma that it says root beer. Don't know if you can see it.
Right.
Rainey's looking at your dress.
Root beer. Yeah, I know, but it doesn't show on film very well, does it? Anyway, it's root beer. I don't like it there, but Myra likes it and it's her room. And we have our yucky Barbie head. Yeah, she has a face somewhere in there.
Don't do that.
Okay, everybody say bye, Grandma.
Bye.
There's the dog sleeping through all that
That is
noise.
not a dress. I was gonna get this.